afraid. I feel just how you do. It's so crazy growing up in my own mind too. All the people trying to speak words that make no sense. My world's spinning round, almost too. So tell me, why do I have to live by the rules? I wish that I could become future-proof. I don't wanna be 21, doing it what I've become. A monster to the silly, everybody's having fun. I don't wanna be 21, turn down to what you want. Yeah, I'm still a kid at heart, trying to make a brand new start. I don't wanna be 21. Yeah, yeah, I don't wanna be 21. Yeah, yeah. Our future looks bright, but it's still too dark. I hate to think of what's next, who's gonna break my heart. 'Cause I'm just like you, and I can tell you what I've been through. Love and light, let's fight the fight. Together we will grab the light. Tell me, why do I have to live by the rules? I wish that